In this video I show you everything you need to know about TradingView, how you set everything up, and at the end I will show you some tricks I use for my everyday trading. You're on the channel Successful Trading and I help you to make maximum profits at the markets. So let's start with the video. So right now we are at TradingView.com and this is a chart analyst tool I use for years for my everyday trading. And right now, as you can see, we have this Black Friday sale and this is the best deal of the year if you want to get the premium version. I will later show you the advantages of the premium version, because if you take trading seriously, then I would recommend that you take the premium version, because every professional trader uses the premium version. But if you are just starting now with trading, then the free version is also fine. So if you want to use the free version, then I would recommend you to make an account. And if you want to make an account, you have to click on this button and then on sign in. And if we click on, you either can log in if you already have an account, and if you don't have an account, you click on sign up. And here you can see that you can create an account with your social medias or just simply with the email. And if you want to sign with the email, you just have to put in your email address and a password, then click on I'm not a robot and create an account. And if you directly want to get to the paid version, you will click on explore offers, and here you will find the Black Friday sales. Here you can click on buy now, and here you can sign up again with your account and your email address. But if we click on products and then on pricing, you can see that we have here the normal prices. These are the prices for annually, so you will have to pay every year, or you can have this monthly subscription and also try it for 30 days. So if you are not in the Black Friday sale right now, then I would recommend that you try one of these premium versions for 30 days. And if you like the premium version, then you just pay it normally. And as you can see, we have many advantages. I personally use now the essential one. For me, this is very fine because you have multiple charts and indicators I will show you later in the video. You can set price alerts, which is very nice. You have no ads. You can use the volume profile. You have multiple watch lists, which is very nice. And one of the most important is the bar replay. This feature you can use for backtesting, which is really important for traders. And here you can see the monthly and annually prices again. And if we look now at the Black Friday offers, you can see that you can save very much money. So if you want to use these deals, click on the first link at the video description, and over my link you can support this channel and you get $15 off for your first payment. So now let's start where I show you everything you need to know about TradingView. So right now we aren't in an account. You can also use TradingView complete for free and without a free account, but I would recommend you the free account. I will explain you later. So first we're clicking on products and then on super charts. And as you can see, the default layout is this Apple chart. And you can see that we have many features and tools right here to use it for the chart analysis. So first we have this TradingView chart right here. You can use your mouse to drag and drop the chart. If you use your mouth, you can also zoom in and zoom out, which is really nice. And as you can see, if you have the free version, there will always be some ads right here. So this is part of the free option. And if you have the premium one, you don't have ads right here. So first you can see that we have the volume indicator right here. On this button, you can see every indicator you have. And here you can hide your volume if you don't want to use it or if you want to use it. So here you have some settings for the indicator where you can apply it. If you want to customize it, you can do it here and then press on OK. On this button, you can remove the indicator if you don't want to use it anymore. And here you find some more settings. Here on the top, you can see which chart are you analyzing. In this case, we have Apple. If we click on this symbol, you can also search for other stocks or cryptocurrency. For example, you can type in Bitcoin, and it will show you every Bitcoin chart here on TradingView. And if you want to apply it, you can double click on Bitcoin and then you can see the Bitcoin chart. Here you can see the time frame, which is right now the daily time frame. And if you want to change the time frame, you can click here and then you can go, for example, in the 4-hourly chart, and then you see that the candles are on a different time frame. And if you have some favorite time frames, you can click on this little star right here. In my case, I often use the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, 4-hourly, 1-hourly, 15-minute and the 5-minute, and then you can see that you have your favorite time frames right here and you can change it like this. So this is a very nice feature. On this button you can find the different candles. I personally use the normal candles like most of the traders, but you can also switch to like the line, then the chart looks like this. Or if you click on Heikin Ashi, some people also use this kind of candles, but in my case I use the normal candles. Then one of the most important things is the indicators. Next we have the the indicators. If you click on this, you can search for every indicator you want to use. For example, we use the EMA, and here you can see every indicator from it. Here you can see the name of the indicator and how many people are using it. So in this case, we can click on this EMA, and here you can see that you can't use it if you are not signed up yet. And here on the right, you can see that we have this watch list, and here you can save your favorite assets, for example, gold, or stocks like Tesla or the S&P 500. I will now log into my premium account to show you the indicators and much more. So right now we are in my premium account and I applied the default settings for this layout. I will later also show you my personal favorite layouts I have. So as you can see, if we click on indicators, you can search for any indicator you want to see, for example an EMA, and then every indicator shows up. I also have some favorite indicators right here. If you want to add an indicator to your favorites, you just click on the star, and if you want to remove it from your favorites, you can click on it again. So let's just move the moving average exponential, and as you can see, this indicator shows up, and here again you can hide it, you can have some settings, or you can remove it again. The next thing is one of the most important things for my trading. It's the alert section right here. If you click on it, you can create an alert here on Ethereum, and you can put in a price like, for example, $2,040, and if you click on create, you will see that you have an alert right here, this white line right here. And if the price comes into this region, to this alert, you will get a notification on your laptop, and if you also wanted, you get a notification on your mobile phone, which is a really nice feature because I want to get in a trade right here. I just set an alert and wait till I get the notification, and then I will enter the market. This is also perfect for 9 to 5 because you don't have to waste your whole time before your screen. You can also create some alerts right here with a right click on your mouse. Then you click here on add alert, and here you can create an alert as well. And if you want to remove them, you click on this X and yes, and then you removed the alert. The next important thing is this replay button, because with this replay button you can backtest your strategy. If we click on it, we can then cut some of these candles which are happening right here, for example here. Then we can see the chart like a few days ago and we don't see the present prices. And here you can start to play, and then as you can see, the price moves forward. You can pause it again, and you can also click it like here, every candle for once. Here you can adjust the speed of the play button, and if you want to have your normal prices again, you click on jump to real-time chart, and if you don't want to use the replay feature, you can press on X. So this is a feature many traders are using, and I can also recommend it if you want to test your strategy. Here on the section you can search for your layouts, and here you can create new layouts or load layouts, and I personally use the white, and as you can see, this white layout shows up. I like this layout more because with this white background and this gray candles, you don't have as much emotions in the chart as you have red or green candles. If you want to change the layout, right click your mouse. Here you can find your color theme, dark or light. And if you right click on your candles and then you go on settings, you can also change the color of the candles right here, and also on the wicks. You can also adjust it like if you want and click OK. And you can also change it with this icon right here. You will find your chart settings again here. Here you have your full screen mode, but I personally don't use it. And here you can take a snapshot if you want to make a screenshot of your analysis. On the right side, you have your watch list. If we click on it, you can here see my customized watch list. Here you can create some different watch lists. And as you can see, we have some cryptocurrencies right here with my analysis. And if I want to add an asset right here, I can click on this plus, and then I can search here for an asset. I take the Bitcoin again. I take a different chart here on the Bitstamp, and then you can find it right here. On this symbol, you can find your alerts. So you have an overview over your alerts. So you have here your active alerts and your triggered ones. And here on this symbol, you can find your object tree. Here you can open your indicators, and you'll find your analysis tools like this ones, and also can show them up or hide them. On the left, we have this toolbar for your analysis. Here on the top, you can use like cross, dot or arrow. I personally use the cross. On the second thing, you find like trend lines and also different tools. I personally use the trend line. You can apply it like this. For example, you can use this as a resistance right here. And if you click on it, you can also use templates like here. For example, a purple resistance or a break of structure. And here you can apply this trend line and also remove it again. On the next one, you find like Fibonacci's. I also often use the Genbox for my analysis to get like the premium and discount prices. Then I use this one to get in a long position. So for example, if you get in a trade right now, you can visualize your stop loss and also your target. And here you can see your risk reward ratio. So for example, if you put your stop loss below here, you would have had a risk reward ratio of 2. And you can use short positions as well. So this is a very nice feature I use often. In the next one, I often use the rectangle to create some boxes or supply and demand zones. In this case, I use for the templates the supply zone. This is also really important in my daily analysis. Here you can find like text things and also customize it right here, like supply. We press OK. And then you have here some text. For example, you can use it that you have an overview over the time frames which are now bullish or bearish. Especially if you're a beginner, this could be really nice to have an overview. With this tool, you can see how much percent an asset moved to the upside or to the downside. In this case, from this swing, we saw a 6% up move from Ethereum. And one of the most important is this star right here. Here you will find a toolbar with your favorite analysis tools. For example, we have here the trend. For example, we have the trend line here again. I also have like horizontal rays, the rectangles with the demand zone right here, and a short order like here. So as you can see, you can customize everything here on TradingView. So as I said, if you want to take it seriously with trading, I would recommend the premium version. I personally use the essential one. And right now you also have this Black Friday sale and you have this offers right here. So if you want to get the paid version of TradingView, click on the first link on the description. With this link, you can support my channel and you will also get $15 off your first payment. And if you don't want to use the premium version of it, I would recommend you that you make a free account because you can save your analysis right there and also customize the chart. Because if you have no TradingView account, your analysis will not save and you have to do it every time again. So if you want to start with TradingView, there's no more Black Friday offer. You can also see that it ends in 3 days. Then I would recommend that you take the free trial right here. You can have a free trial, you can use the premium version of it, and if you like it, you can use it after this free 30 days. So this was it for this video. If you want to join my free Telegram group where I show daily updates about crypto market and other financial markets, click on the link in the description and you will find the Telegram group for free. And if you want to sign up for TradingView, feel free to use this link in the description. You can support me and my channel and you will also get $15 off your first payment. I hope you liked the video. If you do, please leave a like. If you have any questions on TradingView, please write a comment down below and subscribe if you don't want to miss the next tutorials or price predictions for cryptocurrency. So thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.